What's up, everyone? This is the Crypto Blueprint, where I put you on game to all things related to blockchain technologies. And today I'm going to show you how to install the Brave browser on a Windows operating system. And the first question maybe you have is, why would I want to use the Brave browser? Well, right now you may be using Firefox or Google Chrome or even Safari. I hope that you're not using Internet Explorer because it's really old tech. But you're surfing the web, you're seeing ads, you're not getting anything for it, and that changes with the Brave browser. With the Brave browser, you're surfing the web, you see an ad, you earn BAT token. BAT token, if you know what it is, it's called Basic Attention Token. So you're getting rewarded for your attention as you're browsing the web. And BAT's been around for a while. If you look at the price action on it for the 90-day chart, you see it around February, not that long ago. It was around like 30 cents, and reached an all-time high of 162, and now it's sitting at around maybe 125, 124. That's considerable growth in a very short time span. You can see the number of addresses are just going up. More and more people are knowing about it. You don't want to get left behind. You want to actually start using the Brave browser. So let's stop wasting time and let's go. First thing you're going to do, you're going to go use, Google, any search engine you feel comfortable with. Type Brave. It's going to pop up. Click the download button. The Brave site is going to recognize your operating system. I use a Linux, but it doesn't matter. It'll recognize you're using Windows and give you an option. You'll click on it, and it'll look something like this. Okay, so downloading Brave on your Windows desktop will look something like this. You'll click the download button, and it'll launch a dialog window where you can click Save File. You click it, it'll start to download, and it's like any other application you've ever downloaded on your Windows operating system. So I'm going to just speed through a lot of this. You'll click the executable file, it'll launch this, and it will begin installing, and then the Brave browser will launch, and it'll give you a little welcome intro telling you about Brave, telling you about the features. You'll click Let's Go, and first thing is it'll tell you about importing bookmarks and settings. You can import whatever bookmarks and whatever settings you have on the other web browser that you use, whether it's Firefox or Google. All you have to do is just select it from the dialog box here, and then click Import. So next. Then it'll tell you about one of the best features of Brave, which is basically it has an ad blocker built in to the Brave browser. So when you go on sites, whether you're reading an article or watching something, sometimes they'll have ads within that web page. That is off. You no longer have to see it when you're using the Brave browser. The only ads that you see are the ones that usually come as it comes in a form of a notification, and those are the ones in which you earn BAT token. When you see them, you click on them, you earn BAT token for clicking that ad. Those are the only ads you see. You no longer have to see ads on any site that you would normally see ads in that as you're web browsing, including sites like the ones you're watching this video on. So you'll click on Next. Here you can set your search engine. You can set it to Google or DuckDuckGo, whichever you prefer. And then it'll talk about the Brave rewards. I'm gonna make a separate video showing you how to set up your profile, show you how many ads that you can view within 1 hour. That's gonna be another video. And that's it. You click done, and that's it. You can start using the Brave browser and start capturing value from your attention. Thank you, everybody. If you like what you saw, you know what to do. SLS on the bottom, and I'll see you later.